Welcome back guys. This tutorial I am going to show you delete Roblox app on your Android phone. You can follow this method. You can easily remove the Roblox app your device. First, open the settings page. Once you are in settings, scroll down very bottom, find the apps option, tap on them. After the app is open, you can either scroll down to the page or quickly find the Roblox app. Use the search bar at the very top. Here simply type Roblox. After you found the app, tap on their name to open the next app info page. After that, look for the bottom menu bar. You can see various options. Find the uninstall option, click on it, then confirm by tapping uninstall. And you have successfully deleted Roblox app your Android phone. To check it if available or not your device, return to your home screen, open app door. Here use search bar and search for Roblox. If you don't find the Roblox, this means you have successfully deleted the app. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe my channel.